Oh! It has a great feel. It's so soft. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Francis. I'm so glad to have you. Today's video is a little bit different because it's the first time I'm doing an unboxing video. I can't wait to share it all with you. I recently got some amazing yoga gear during Black Friday sales. I've been dying to open them, but I held off so we can experience the excitement together. But before we get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss out on future videos. Also, just a heads up, this video is not sponsored. I bought everything with my own money. So, let's get started! Alright, let's open our first package. I believe this is the yoga rug I ordered on Etsy. Have you ever used a yoga rug before? I haven't. I've always wanted one, just to see how it adds to my practice. And I'm curious about, oh, I gotta be careful, I don't want to hurt the rug. I'm curious about the feel and the ease of cleaning compared to traditional yoga rug. So this one is made from organic cotton, and it's hand-woven by Indian masters. So it took about 10 days for them to ship here. So let's see, I don't know. I'm so excited! Double wrap. I ordered a pink color. Oh! Let's see. Ah! I've waited for so long. It's cute, looks cute. Ugh. I'm so excited. So this is nice, it's foldable. You can just easily take it with you. You know, I do a lot of outdoor filming. I think the aesthetic look of a yoga rug really fits the outdoor setting. That's why I always want one. So let's see. It's pretty lightweight. I believe this is about 3 pounds. It feels nice. Smells fine. Doesn't have any plastic smell. Feels comfortable. Let's see. Oh, I love this color. I think it comes in 4 colors. I got pink. It's very nice. I don't know if you can see from the camera. It comes with some rib segments that will help improve your grip when you do some movements. So let's roll it out and give it a try. As you can see, I'm staying in a hotel now, so the space is a little bit tight. I just want to do some small movements, so to give you my first impressions. Let's see. So it rolls out pretty easily. I can see that it doesn't seem to be any creases, considering that it's been wrapped in a package for more than 2 weeks now. The material feels sturdy, a little bit rough, but I think that contributes to its sturdiness. The rack is about 5 millimeters thick. It just feels and looks like it has a very good durability and that you can use it on many different surfaces. Let's see. I'm gonna do a downward facing dog. It feels much different than a traditional rubber mat. Not necessarily better, but different. I feel very comfortable and supported. I really like this ribbed segment here, and also underneath my feet. My hands are not sliding, my feet are not sliding, so that's really good. I like it. Overall, I have a very good first impression on this yoga rug. I'm very excited to use it in many different environments, both indoors and outdoors, and also put it in washing machine and all that. And I'll keep you updated about how it holds up and how I like using it in different environments. Now, let's unbox the package from Manduka. I've never owned any Manduka products before, but recently I've been looking for some new yoga mats. I did some research. Manduka has a pretty good reputation. It's known for its premium quality and its durability. I ordered 3 things from them. Let's see. This is the eKO Superlite Travel Yoga Mat. I ordered it because I have some exciting travel plans coming up for Chinese New Year. I'm planning to go to Malaysia, Thailand, Taiwan, and maybe Japan. So I needed something, So I needed a mat that is easy to pack, so you can just fit it in your suitcase. This one, it says, is non-creasing, so you can just fold it. The color I got is, oh, it's so light, so thin. Midnight blue. Beautiful, beautiful. Wow. Let's see if you can fold it. Wow, it's so light. I've never owned a mat that is this light. Feels good. It has a great feel. Let's see if we can fold it. See? I could probably fold it nicer than this, but I just want to give you an idea. Really nice, just like a book. I'll definitely keep it, and I'll bring it with me when I travel. I'll give you an update once I use it during my travels. Now, let's open the second item I got from Manduka. This is the Yogitoes hot yoga towel. So I recently just started practicing hot yoga, and I sweat a lot. I love my current yoga mat, which is Lululemon. It's super grippy and super absorbent, but I just don't think it's hygienic to use it during hot yoga class. So I needed something that is easy to be cleaned and washed, and this is what I got. I love the package. Very pretty. It's very lightweight. It weighs 1 pound. Let's see. It has so many beautiful design. I went for, I think this is called Emerald Growth. It's so pretty. Look at that. It's so soft, and it got this, I don't know how you call this. I think they call this their skidless technology. So when you put on your normal yoga mat, it can prevent from sliding. I can't wait to test it out in my next hot yoga class. So we have got one more thing from Manduka. It's this lavender yoga mat cleaner. My current mat has seen better days. I've been using it almost every day for over a year now, and I use it outdoor, so it's pretty dirty. And this, oh, it smells really nice. This cleaner got really good reviews, so I figured I just want to give it a try to see if it works. Let's see. So I got they have 2 sizes. I got the 4 ounces one. I think I paid $8 for it. Let's see if it works. So So, that's all for today's yoga gear unboxing. I'll be testing out these products during my travels, daily practice, and outdoor filming. I plan to make a follow-up review video later, so stay tuned for that. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more contents like this, please leave a comment below and let me know. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I'll see you all in my next video. Have a wonderful day or night. Namaste. She's still sleeping. Isn't she cute? Good girl.